Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a small application which I have developed using NextJS-13, which is called Conference App. So we're going to see what is a Conference App that I have created, what is the API schema which I have used. Basically, it fetches the data from third-party API. What are the dependencies? What are the things to learn from this application? And I'm going to demonstrate the application to you. So what is a conference app? Basically, it's a small application which I have created just for demonstration purposes and for learning purpose, which displays the following information. It displays the various conferences and the session details, the speakers who are going to give the sessions, and the topics which are going to cover in those sessions. Okay, so this is the basically API schema. I'm using a third-party API. You can see the URL. It's a conference API Azure website.net. So you can go ahead and see the schema of this API. So I've just shown a glimpse of it on the right side. So this is the Swagger details, Swagger file, which shows all the schema of the API. Just a note, this API is not created by me. It is I found it while searching on the browser on the internet. So I decided to use it because it has a good mixture of data and details in it. So what are the dependencies? So I'm using NextJS-13 experimental app directory, React.js 18, Tailwind CSS for styling, and I'm using a small library of React Animate on Scroll for animation. So what we can learn from this application? Basically, we will learn the basics of NextJS-13. We will learn what is file-based routing, different pre-rendering techniques like static site generation and incremental site generation, bundle splitting, server-side rendering, client-side rendering, static routing, dynamic routing, layouts, error boundaries, and Tailwind. So I just put a star there because I'm not an expert in Tailwind, but I did my best to generate a decent layout and for the application. So it's time for demonstration. So let's go ahead and see the application in action. So as you can see, this is the application which I have developed. This is the home page. It displays the menu for home conferences. So using this menu, we can navigate to see all the conferences, the speaker details of all the speakers which are hosting those conferences, and the topics, and a little page about us. So you can see here, if you notice, my application is already deployed in Vercel. So you guys can go ahead and try it for yourselves. So in the home page, basically, I'm showing the overall count of the sessions, how many sessions are there, how many speakers are there, and how many topics are there. Okay, and you can see the little footer on the bottom. So if I have to see the conferences, I can click on conferences. So it will display me the conferences. So this is overall 130, I think, which shows on the home page. So this is all the details of the session, the title of the session, the time slot, who is the speaker, and from this links I can go and see the speaker's bio, and from this link I can see the sessions covered in that topic. So these are all 130 sessions here. So if you notice the speed, it's very fast because it is using static site generation and incremental site generation. Okay, so these are the things. So if we go to any conference, I can click on the conference here, title of the conference. So it will give me a conference details. So it's just English on the topic. We have clicked on async in C#, so it's a description given here. And these are the topics which are covered. So agile, miscellaneous, and the techniques. So if you click on this, if you want to see the sessions covered in the topic, you can click on the sessions here. So these are the topics which are covered in that topic. Okay, so these are the things, and if we have to see if we have to go to the speaker's bio, for example, then you can click here. So it will give me a speaker's bio. Okay, so and it also shows us what are the sessions this particular speaker is participating in. So here there are 3 sessions here, and again, if I want to see those sessions, I can click here, and it will navigate to the conferences, the session details. Okay, then, and yeah, and then I can see the consolidated list of the speakers. So here, if you notice, there is an animation which is going on, and if I scroll, the tiles will appear. Okay, and if I want to see the speakers, again, I can click on the speaker. It will give me the speaker bio and the sessions conducted. So here is we can check out the conferences hosted by a particular speaker. Okay, the next one is the topics. So again, you see the different animation that is going on. So if I scroll down, it sort of scrolls from the right left. I think there are some error on the API, so pardon me on that. And so if I want to browse based on topic, I can do that. So for example, architecture. So for in this topic, these are the sessions which are covering that topic. So again, similar looking information is there. So we can go to the session, and we can see the speaker's bio and see the session details again. Okay, the next is about us. So just a static page which has a picture and the team. Okay, meet our team, sort of a page where gives an intro about the team involved. Okay, yeah, this is a small application which I did. So just check it out, and I'll try to make it as mobile responsive. So here, if you shorten this, it will display based on the mobile. So like this. Okay, so check out the application and let me know your comments, how you feel about this. I'll be posting or any suggestions to improve it. I'll be posting the source code very soon in this in the description of this video. So stay tuned. Thank you for attending today, and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.